Hi, I'm Owen from Square Balloon. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace LinkTree with Joomla and also how to make it like way better than LinkTree, even the pro version of LinkTree. We're going to make it dynamic, we're going to make it like LinkTree on steroids. So let's get started. Before I start, if you do like these videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps me, encourages me to make more videos. If you've got ideas of how we could even improve this process, because there must be loads of ways to do it, write them in the comments. Let's help the whole community. So here's LinkTree. I have nothing bad to say about them. It's a free. They offer a free version and a pro version. The free version is very good. My clients know how to use it. You log in, you press a few buttons. It's easy, right? Here's what it generates: a single link which you can have all of your social medias on. That's the basic gist of it. Obviously, we've got schedule a meeting and some other stuff as well. Here's another one. It looks slightly different, but again, it's got all of the links, and it's also got our next event that's coming up and stuff like that. And here's what I did in Joomla. So it's the same thing. It's got all of our links, a link to the website, but it's a bit more on brand. It's using the colors, and also I've integrated with Joom Donations J events, events booking, so you can see that I'm now pulling in dynamic content. I will make events on the website, and then they will be pulled through to this landing page. Now, obviously, it's not finished. You can see that. And here's some, this is coming from Contact, which we're using to create the comedians. So again, it's dynamic content that we can use, and we can choose what goes here. And it's not finished, but I intend to put some YouTube videos on here as well. So it's going to be like a really cool dynamic page that people could visit as a one-off, and actually it could be quite sticky. I'll just show you the rest of the website. The reason I'll show you this is because on every other page of this website, there is a menu, right? There's also a footer. Again, the website's not finished, so don't get all judgy on me. So yeah, basically, general gist, you need to remove the header and the footer, or else you're not going to have this this page like this. And the reason I like it like this, and the reason these are great, is because it's just singular. It's a funnel. I'm only asking you to take one very small action. In this case, scheduling a meeting might be a bit bigger. They have the option if they want it. But I could just say to them, go on this link, click my Instagram, follow it, we'll follow you back. That would be amazing, thank you. Right, and I'm not offering them too many options, basically. So how do I do this? I start off by creating the page. So I'll go to menus and main menu, and then I've created this menu item called LinkTree. You'll notice that it was hidden, so to do that you go on link type and you change this display menu down the bottom to no, and now when I'm on here you'll see that there isn't a menu item for that. Great. After I've done that, I go to the page display and I put in this, which is just a class name. It doesn't matter what it's called. Mine's called page-link-tree, but you can call it anything you want. The main thing is you remember what it's called. So I'll close out of this. I'll go into UTheme. Now, if I go to pages and then show them all, and then I visit the page, the great thing is this is just all done in the builder, nothing special, but great, very easy to do. The other great thing is, as you can see here, some dynamic content. So these events are being pulled through dynamically. This is a heading, this is a booking button, this is an image. So that's great. We could do e-commerce, we could do anything really. We can use grids and stuff, which is great, and it's very easy. And this code bit doesn't need to be there. And so right, so how did I get the header and footer to disappear? Obviously, a lot of you will have worked it out. Settings, custom code, and then in the CSS and less part, I've done this part. So all I've done is I've put my page class, page-link-tree, with a dot in front of it to say it's a class, and then a space, and then the word header, and then I've done a comma, and I've repeated that class name with a space and the word footer. So if I just remove these, I'll just comment them, you'll see that the menu comes back and the footer comes back, but that's not what I want on this particular page. I've deliberately removed them. Just remember, if you're doing this, because you remove them, if you do what I've done, I'm on this page, and now I click to all my socials, and now I have no way to get back. So I have to have a button like this, visit website, or something like that. but it is in fact a pretty bad user experience. So I don't really advise you linking to the page unless you always forget it or something like that. If you are gonna, you could also put it opening in a new page, which would solve the problem as well. But it still would be a bit confusing for users. So anyway, now you know how to do it. I really do encourage you, like see how far you can take it. Add an Instagram feed if that's what your product's about. Add an Instagram feed. Add a Facebook feed. Add a YouTube feed. Whatever it is that works for your company, do it. These guys have got templates here. Why not go there and have some inspiration? Use a background image. Make it 1VH in 1VH in CSS, and that way, and if it's fixed, you could scroll over it, that would be fine, or absolute, or whatever. Also, the marketplace, give some ideas. Maybe you could put some Snapchat, link to your photo. Maybe instead of just a link to social media, you could have a massive picture like this. Maybe you could have SoundCloud if you're a musician. Maybe you could have TikTok. Whatever it is, there's plenty of things you could do, but all of them can be done in Joomla without having to upgrade and pay for the Pro subscription. I'll leave it there. I hope you come up with some ideas. Put them in the comments. Tell me what you did with this idea. But please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.